everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to create your Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now you have to choose your username and tap on next. Instagram will give you the options of your username. You have to choose one username from that and then tap next. After tapping on next, you have to set a password for you, a strong and reliable password, and then tap on next again. Now you have to move forward and tap on complete sign up, or you can add your phone number or your email for sign up your account more easily. So we're gonna choose this option. Now we have to enter your phone number or your email. We're gonna add our email and press next. Instagram will send you a verification code on your email, so you have to check your inbox, the verification code on this bar, and then tap on the next button. After tapping on that, it will start refreshing your account, and this is how your account will be created. A profile of your choice, discover people or your profile. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can easily create your Instagram account.